right over to, you see where the last little hump is?
The last little one, or
the very, very last one. You can barely see it.
Okay, so we literally walked from Bear Mountain, which is this. Oh, really?
To Lion's Head over here.
Oh.
what up, yo?
Well, we are actually on our way to meet our Good Samaritans.
Our saviors, our rescuers.
If you saw our Castle Craig video, I'm sorry, Bear Mountain. We actually got lost.
Yeah, we got lost at Bear Mountain.
At Bear Mountain. We were found by this wonderful woman. We'll see if they want to be a part of our adventure. If they don't, that's perfectly fine, but they're amazing. And so right now we are meeting them at the lake. Apparently fun things will be involved. We have beer. They have a boat, so.
Yeah, we're supposed to be fishing and swimming as well, getting pulled on a tube, which I have never done.
Yes, which I've never done either.
We've actually done wakeboarding though.
Right. Was that what it's called? Wakeboarding?
Was it?
Wakeboarding? Well, today we are going to see.
We can say their names. I'm pretty sure, you know, it's
Joanne and Steve.
Yeah, Joanne and Steven.
They're really nice.
Very nice to us. Helped us, you know, get back to our car. You know, they wanted us to come hang out with them. You know, we offered to,
we offered to kind of like treat them to something, but they were like, well, let's go on our boat. And I'm excited. I'm really excited.
Jinx.
Yeah. I'm really nervous.
All
right, my arm is killing me, and we're almost there. We're like 7 minutes away. We're super late. It's a nice day. It's 77 degrees. I'm so excited. It's not hot, but it's like sunny and bright. The water's probably gonna be cold, but that's okay, because it's still gonna be like sunny out, you know, for us to feel okay.
It's gonna get hot later in the day. Hopefully. Warmer, I should say.
We'll tune back in when we're on the boat. What up, guys? So we actually got really lost. We went to the wrong place, and our GPS, we had no signal. We couldn't call Steve. He couldn't get a hold of us. And now we're here. It's like almost 3. We were supposed to be here at 1:15. So you can imagine, everybody already ate and everything. The restaurant's about to close. Everybody's bringing their boats in. But, you know, Steve and Joanne are in a good mood and we're gonna have a good time. So I just wanted to give you a quick update. Chris is ordering food right now. We're about to get on the boat.
See the front porch.
Oh, the front porch.
Oh, this is right here.
So this is our friend and savior, Steve. Say hi, Steve.
Yeah, did you see the sign?
Okay.
All gamblers and fancy women must sign up with the captain before a boat leaves for New Orleans by order of the mayor of New Orleans.
That's awesome. Where'd you get this sign?
An old lady at Noble found it at a tag sale. She goes, I will buy this for you, put it on your boat, but you won't put it on your boat. I said, sure I will. Try it.
Yeah, this is a great sign. Are you kidding? Are we all checked in with the captain?
You all checked in.
Where do we sit? Did you? How was that?
It's awesome.
Oh,
There's somebody
up, man down. Oh no, he's back up. Here you physically really can't be on your phone because you have no signal.
Exactly, that's a wonderful thing.
Yeah. I was like, honestly, if I lived here, I wouldn't hate it because I would figure out a way to get around these mountains. Oh, you have the Garmin, so it's no big deal.
All right, honey, he wants to stand up, so stay right, go. Yeah, go perfectly straight, go straight. So you find just the right speed.
Yeah.
There's a little cup in the wake. And you don't get a whole lot of bounce. He did it! He did it! He's down, but he's not out. He's refusing to give it up.
Okay, go ahead. He started sinking.
Yeah, he's got
No hands. Come on, you got this. Come on, you got it. Come on.
Hey!
You're almost there. Woo! Wipe out.
Yeah, but she did it.
She did do it. Me and my brother used to go fishing when we were kids.
This is our fishing spot.
Be aware there could be bears. I don't know if there's bears here. But
Yeah, you were talking about bears the whole hike, and
Yeah,
I was
no,
like,
definitely up where our house,
calm down.
we had, I think, the biggest bear we've ever seen.
see?
Oh,
It
wow.
was huge.
You ready?
It looked like a big cow.
I can do it from here.
And it went across.
I always try to, make sure I keep myself aware and,
When you're hiking or anything
Oh,
like
that's
that,
the-
you have to.
It just wasn't
Be
tight yet.
pulling it up.
Because, anything could happen. You could fall. And you didn't run across any alligators.
Oh, no, yeah, we're trying to clock alligators all the time.
Where?
I fish.
Honestly, in Florida, we mostly see like baby alligators. When they get to a certain point, they get removed. And I don't know, do they get
yeah.
relocated or do they get like
No, they get taken to
hunted?
their habitat.
Oh, habitat.
Yeah, little
Oh, you
fish
got
right
fish. You got a fish.
Uh-oh.
In his picture. Yeah, you got 'em.
Oh, there he is.
Bass, probably red-eyed bass.
That must be cool to catch your own.
Oh, yeah. Cook it, clean it, take it home, cook it, and eat it. That's supper.
Cool.
And
That
that's
red
what
eye,
it's
could we have eaten that red eye?
You could have. They're not that good.
Not the best.
It's probably the least favorite here, but if you were naked and afraid,
You gotta catch
Come on,
a fish.
fish it.
I know, it's so funny because we were talking about Janine and we watch Big Bang Theory all the time.
Oh yeah, Penny.
Penny.
Penny. It's like a good thing that show wasn't around when we were kids. Because I would have gone crazy.
Are you really?
Yeah. I was still hormonal, like hysterical when I was a kid. Any little thing could set me off.
So for this jet ski coming up. Jet ski to the
This water is so nice. How did we do?
You did great.